The 5 longest living animals on Earth. Number 5. Turritopsis dohrnii, or immortal jellyfish, is basically a real lifetime traveler. It can hit the reset button on aging and live forever. Number 4. Rough-eye rockfish. This fish can live for over 200 years, meaning some were swimming in the ocean before the US had electric light bulbs and Napoleon was ruling Europe. Number 3. Bowhead whale. The oldest known bowhead whale lived for at least 211 years, making it the longest living mammal on Earth. Number 2. Ocean quahog. Scientists count the rings on its shell like a tree to figure out how old it is. Number 1. Greenland shark. These sharks don't even reach adulthood until they're around 150 years old, meaning some are still teenagers at 200.